And this is my first real off-road trip. Going out there to my partner's hunting lease. Oh, a dog. Good dog, chill. That dog was blending in with the brown grass on the side. But at the hunting lease, we had a big storm come through last night. Probably gonna be pretty wet and muddy. The center knobs on my tire is gone. I have a new tire coming soon. Yeah. It's actually pretty amazing what these bikes will go through, you know. And that's coming from me with zero experience, you know. It's amazing what a two-wheel bike will go through. And that's the kind of stuff I'm talking about. You know, I see videos of people going through stuff like that on a bike, and it amazes me that them bikes will just go through it so easily. And now I'm getting pumped up because, you know, I'm doing it pretty easily, and I'm still on stock tires with a worn down rear. I got these shitty tires, and this bike is still doing this pretty good. Whoa! That time I hit a rut. And the old Honda does it again. Moving around all over the place, man. It's like I'm ice skating right here. And the tire that I'm getting like next week is a Dunlop D605. So it's about the same type of tread pattern. It's not like real grippy like a dirt bike tire. But I don't do this type of stuff often. This is my first time after having a bike for a year. Woo, that back end is dancing around. And I do mostly street, so you know, I don't want no big knobby tires like the D606 or the Tusk D Sport. Now, you know, like I said, I don't have much experience off-road, but they say the tires make all the difference in the world. So I could only imagine if I had like a knobbier tire, it would be so much better. But I still won't do it because I do ride more street. I tell you, it throws me off more than these water puddles when there's no water and no ruts, but soft mud. And when I get squirrely in that soft mud, that's kind of more scary than going through an actual puddle like this. Ooh, she's dancing around. You just gotta pick a line and stick with it. Pick a line and stick with it. amazed at how well the skinny wheel, two-wheel bike does through this stuff. Oh, and there I go again. When I'm in a water hole, it's not bad. When I'm on this regular mud, that's when it's worse. Whew, it's like I'm on ice skates. Yeah, this trail is real bumpy too. There we go. Oh, now I'm getting wet, slinging water. My luck almost ran out. I almost put it down. Woo!
Go that way. Turn around. I don't know if you can go on that side, but you can probably get turned. Don't go that way.
Stuck like Chuck. Trying to swing the back end around. Those mud holes were worse than the other ones on the main trail. Dug a trench. Woo, that time I fell into another rut. I was in one rut and I slid into another. That's when it gets sketchy. I mean, whatever rut you in, you want to stay in it. Once you pick your line, stay in it. But really nothing I could do about that. I slid into that other one. I am surprised, and look, the day ain't over yet, but I am surprised I haven't put it down yet. I went through some serious water holes, mud holes. On a bad rear tire. But you know, the rear sliding around is not bad. I could deal with the rear sliding, you know, as long as I keep it upright. It's the front you don't want sliding around. And this is the stock IRC tire, and I gotta say it's doing pretty good. It ain't the greatest, but I still have tread left on it. That's why I just ordered a rear tire and not the front. Now we're about to do the creek crossing. I'm gonna have to detail it. I gotta take my skid plate off pretty soon. I'm gonna change my oil, clean up under the skid plate, and while I'm at it, I'm gonna go ahead and shine it up real good. Beautiful day in the hood. The sun is setting. That muddy, wet ride is over. I done changed my clothes, sprayed my bike off at the car wash, but I'm gonna have to detail it a little better. I mean, it's a dual sport. I ain't worried about spit shining it, but pretty soon now. Actually, I'm gonna be busy. It'll probably be a couple of weeks, but I'm gonna get down there in the cracks and crevices, make sure they ain't got no sandy mud, clean it up a little bit. And I also have a DNA air filter en route. So my mods right now include stage 1 tune from 550 Performance, Moto X exhaust full system, and the 550 high flow airbox lid. So now I'm about to add the DNA air filter to that, and then that'll be it as far as performance. But I will be doing a 1 year 3,000 mile review, and I'm also getting a new like I mentioned earlier, Dunlop D605 soon, so I'm gonna throw that in there and do like a review, first impressions of the tire, along with my 1 year 3,000 mile update. I don't know why I turned right here. I'm just taking a long way home. But thank y'all for watching the Cajun Escapades channel. I was super excited to get out there today and do some real off-roading. I'm looking forward to doing it again. Y'all have a good day. I'll see y'all in the next one.